Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Roblox Blair guide tips and tricks to get better and survive longer. So here I'll be giving some tips and tricks for you guys to get better and survive longer. So here I suggest for you guys buying yourself some items. Buying yourself some items right here, or if you have an item, just bring an item if you can. Bring crucifix and trailicams if you want, but I highly suggest bring some few crucifix right there. There you go. I'm gonna bring two right there. You can draw and some glow sticks right here. So now we're gonna go. Let's get it on. So now we're gonna choose a map right here. So I'm gonna give you 5 tips and tricks for you guys. So it's gonna go easy. So I can show you. I'll show it to you one by one. Let's go. So the first tip that I want to give you guys when playing Roblox Blair. First tip for you guys is always look around the area. Yeah, use the area, look around the area, see everything. Always be aware of the area. Number one tip for you guys: always be aware of the area. There you go. There you go. Always be aware of the area and know the area right here. So now we're just gonna leave our glow stick right here. So we're gonna leave a glow stick right here. There you go. Then we're gonna bring our few stuffs. Okay, crucifix right there, and our EV light. So we're gonna put the crucifix right down here in the middle of the place before we start banging around things. Oops. There you go. Always be aware of the place. Okay, now wait, what? Nangyari? What happened? Nangyari? Wait, what? Wait, he's nagpaparamdam agad. Wait, what? Oh, oh. The guys is already here. Hmm. Hindi na. Hindi na. Okay. Sige pa pa ba? Ikaw magdala ng crucifix. Oh, okay, it's right here. Nice one. So we already found him. So right now we need to check our SLS anomaly right here. When this works, so we're just gonna go out. The remaining crucifix up. Yeah. Oh, he teleports fast. So that means he teleports fast. So he either mean he's a rate or yeah, I think it's a rate. Okay, wait. What one card? Oh, tarot card. Tingnan mamaya gamit natin. So now we're just gonna. Oh, and my third tip for you guys. If you see the ghost, always try everything. Try everything. Be aware. So this means it's not working. Fourth tip for you guys. Um, always go out every few minutes because you might get stuck inside. So now we're just gonna go out. And for my last and final tip for you guys, always use the advantage of tarot cards, Ouija boards, and all of those stuff. So right now, we have no idea what this is. So we're just gonna the moon, the fool. Okay. Dapat ko pumasok ka. Okay, so the moon, the fool. Let's get the fool. Come on, the fool. Come on. Can you get something cool? Chariot. Just gonna use this stuff. Oh, a quick tip for you guys. if you want to know the meaning of this stuff, as you can see right here, what I'm doing with the card, you can search it on the Google. You said because there's a section there that will show you, like um, here. Oh, that hermit fool. So for some reason I'm just. Oh my gosh! There we go. That. So now, okay, okay. Yeah, I can see him. Yeah, but there, if you pull out that, you're dead. So yeah. So I don't know what it is right now. So the spirit box doesn't work. So I think it's maybe just rate. So let's go with the rate, guys. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you do it. Now we're gonna leave. Let's go. We're gonna bring Mr. We're gonna bring the Mr. Snowman here. Put it right over there. I'm gonna leave. Snowman's just lying right there. Rate. Okay, rate. There you go. And it's a mare. But yeah, there you go, guys. That's how you survive. And you got a little bit of money from that. But yeah, that's how you do it. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below. And we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.